And now, Shawn's going to show us how good he is at backing up.
What?
Yeah, watch this. This is going to be great, guys.
I don't even have a backup camera in here.
All right, this thing on? Yeah, here we go.
Yeah, it is. So we got the rollback with the Scrambler on it, and we're in the red Dodge headed to Elephant Hill.
Apparently, Rory has rescued this customer once before.
Rory ran down like we are, and the shaft broke, so he put a new one in, turning the truck around to get out, broke the shaft when he was turning around. So hopefully this goes smoother than we'll put Mike in the truck and have him drive it out.
I don't want to break it. Do you think she lock in some hubs?
Oh no.
A vehicle, I hope it's the one. It's at the bottom of Elephant Hill, and it's got a broken axle shaft. This must be our guy. We got the world's most awesome off-road jack. Here we go. Uno. There we go.
So I'll slide this under there just in case.
Yeah.
That's our jack stand.
There. I hope it fits. It's the only one we brought. Bingo.
Ta-da. Ow.
What'd you do?
Oh, right in my shin. Ouch.
Owie.
That hurt. It's fine. Then just go like this. Pop. Look at that. Pop goes the weasel. We didn't even bring rags.
Good thing you're dirty, not me. Look what I found.
Anyway, look at that. It works. Boom.
Try 22.
No, bigger.
Try, wait.
7/8.
I got a 24. Yeah?
Yeah, dude.
Heck yeah, you are the man.
Got it.
All right, all the hard challenges have been handled now.
As long as Mike doesn't celebrate too early, it should be fine.
Well, we're not out of here yet, that's for sure.
Got it. So I'll hold this up, you pull that shaft out.
Okay.
Just wanted you to get your hands dirty.
Only a little.
Just don't hit my thumb or my hand. There it is.
Okay.
And then
Into
this hole.
oh, that's better.
Mike got put to work. He's so strong. Look at him. Okay, that's good. We're rocking the whole thing. We will put this thing in right here. Oh,
You okay?
hit the camera.
Almost got the
camera?
camera. You guys
The
okay?
camera okay?
You folks at home? Dang, look at that.
Perfect. So, load up all the tools, put tire back on it.
Heck yeah. All right.
Nobody likes the dirty bits.
We're doing. Good. There we go, looking real good. Customer's doing good.
He's headed out. We'll follow him out, make sure he does get out. It should be smooth from here. I forgot to put it in low back there. But anyway, it's in low now and we're out. So yeah, we'll just follow this guy out and make sure he gets out safe, and then we'll stop by the ranger's office, let him know we got him out, and head home or head back to the shop.
Yeah.
We had a long Thanksgiving week. I ate a lot and had family in town, so I took Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday off. It was a good time. It was fun. As long as I've ever been off work.
Right? 4 days in a row? I felt weird.
Yeah.
Well, I worked on Thursday, so I guess 3 days in a row though. Yeah.
3 days in a row. Shawn show continues.
Yeah, there's a Ford truck. Apparently it's not running. That's all I know.
It's a Ford thing.
It's a Ford thing, similar to my Ford thing. Also not running.
Not running. So we're gonna take the Dodge and the rollback into this road. Stay along.
Yeah.
Stay tuned.
Or do whatever you want.
Or do whatever you want.
Yeah, that's cool too. Ooh, tires are spinning.
Just yanking your leg. See, right there, another red rock entrance.
What's our mileage?
3.6 miles.
All right. Point.
Right there.
Is that a Ford?
It's a Ford.
Hey, oh, we found it.
It's a newer Ford though.
All right, let's make sure this is the right truck. Hang on. Swing. Haha, yeah. That's our guy. Definitely the truck. Okay. That's probably good. Yeah, something's up. She ain't running. A little bit that way. Yep. Oh, you're there. Come on. You had it. Yeah. Looking good, looking good.
I can't see you.
That's probably really good right there. All right, we got her loaded up, strapped down, ready for race car stuff. So here we go.
Just gotta get up over this one muddy hill and we're golden all the way.
In case you guys were wondering, this is deer hunting country.
Deer hunt.
Elk hunting, that's over there. Deer hunting, that's right here.
That's the only one I was worried about.
Nice. Well, I'm glad you're not worried anymore.
I'm not worried no more. We're good now.
Yep. There's one more. This is it, right there.
And then look at that.
Well, there's still snow on it, so I think we're gonna be okay. If we can just like maintain momentum. Okay, go team, go.
Almost there, Mike. Shut up.
Don't you say it.
All right, there we go. Look at that.
Woo.
We made it out of there. We stopped at the LaSalle Junction to get a drink, but they were closed today. and the mayor of LaSalle Junction wasn't around, so we couldn't raid his refrigerator. So we scramble, what do you call it? How do you say it?
Scrounged?
Scrounged through Rory's pick-em-up truck and found drinks.
Yeah. Haha, victory! Still haven't seen any deers.
Yeah, but this is deer country over here.
Yeah, especially right by Brown's Hole.
We made it to Highway 46. We are there. So I'll put it back in two-wheel drive and we'll just jet back to the shop.
But yeah, thanks for watching.
Yeah, that was a day with Mike and Shawn. This is what we do.
What we do, we drive around.
On a day-to-day basis. We didn't do a field trip today. Or can we?
It's only 3:25. Alright, there it is. The zoo. Hole in the rock. They have a gift shop.
Heartburn.
It's good to let it out. You don't want to keep that in. Alright, we got some dirty lens cam. There we go.
Not no more.
What other camera angles can we do? Some parrot cam.
Spinny cam. Gotta do a spin cam.
Spin cam.
Justin's gonna